Ede Wangunda, State Department for Public Investments and Asset Management, the National Treasury and Economic Planning.
He is a former lecturer at the Kenya School of Revenue Administration. He is a top-notch professional tackling cutting-edge economic and financial issues in a dynamic, fast-paced environment while embracing good governance. Mr. Wagunda holds a Bachelor of Commerce degree, a Master of Arts degree in Economic from Nagpur University in India. Kindly progress to the swearing-in arena.
I, Cyril Odede Wagunda, being called upon to exercise the function of Principal Secretary, do swear that, except with the authority of the President, I will not directly or indirectly reveal the nature or contents of any business, proceedings, or documents of the Cabinet committed to my secrecy, except as may be required by the due discharge of my duties as such Principal Secretary. So help me God.